Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube ads using AdStorm. In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube ads. So we'll cover the different ad formats available and walk you through the process of generating each one. Let's get started. So first, let's go to adstorm.in. So we're going to use AdStorm by Technic Force. So this is an AI-powered ad creation platform designed to help marketers create ad campaigns faster. So with built-in AI tools for generating ad copy, creative angles, and ad visuals, AdStorm simplifies the process of building marketing assets for various advertising platforms. So in this tutorial, we'll focus on AdStorm's YouTube ad creation tools and explore different YouTube ad formats you can generate using the platform. So first, navigate to the campaign section from the top menu. Then select the campaign you want to work on and open it. Inside the campaign dashboard, you'll see a list of available advertising platforms. So to create YouTube ads, click on the YouTube option. Now, AdStorm supports several YouTube ad formats, including YouTube Shorts, video ads, bumper ads, discovery ads, and masthead ads. Now, let's look at each format one by one. So first, let's create YouTube Shorts ad. So to create one, click Create Ad under the Shorts section. Start by entering a description of the video you want to generate. If you need help developing your idea, you can use the built-in AI tools, such as Generate Concept with AI, Refined with AI, to improve your prompt. Next, select your preferred AI video model from the available options. Then choose the video duration that best fits your campaign goals. You can also upload a starting image if you'd like the AI to use it as a visual reference, although this step is optional. Before generating the ad, you'll see the estimated model cost displayed on the screen. Once everything looks good, click Generate Video Ads. The generation process may take a few moments. After it is complete, your video will be available for preview. Then from here, you can watch it in full screen mode.
Tired of the endless revision? Introducing Wabira, your AI website builder. Watch your business grow effortlessly. Tired of the endless revision? Introducing Wabira, your AI website builder. Watch your business grow effortlessly.
Download the video or view all previously generated ads. If you'd like to create another variation, simply click Create Another. Next, let's create a standard YouTube video ad. Select the video ad option and click Create Ad. Enter your video description, and if needed, use the AI tools to enhance your content. After that, choose an AI video model and select an aspect ratio suitable for your campaign. AdStorm provides multiple aspect ratio options to accommodate different placements and viewing experiences. Then choose your video duration and optionally upload a starting image. Review the estimated cost and click Generate Video Ads. Once the ad has been generated, you'll have access to the same management options, including previewing the video, downloading it, and viewing all generated ads. If you'd like to create another version, simply click the button to generate a new ad. Now let's create a bumper ad. So bumper ads are short, non-skippable video ads designed to deliver a quick message. So to create one, select bumper ad and click Create Ad. So enter your video description and use the AI enhancement tools if desired. Then choose a video AI model. Select an aspect ratio and choose the appropriate duration for your bumper ad. You may also upload a starting image to guide the creative process. Review the model cost and click Generate Video Ads. Once it's complete, you can preview the ad, watch it in full screen, download it, or access your complete ad library. To generate another bumper ad, just click Create Another. Let's move on to discovery ads. To create a discovery ad, click Create Ad in the Discovery Ad section. Instead of a video description, you'll enter an advertising angle or marketing message. AdStorm provides AI powered tools such as AI Suggest Angle and Refine with AI to help you create more compelling messaging. Next, select a text generation model and an image generation model. You can also include your branding, enable the Add Brand Logo option, and choose where the logo should appear. You can also upload an inspiration image to guide the design, although this is optional. Then review the estimated cost and click Generate Ads. So wait for it to finish processing. Then after processing, AdStorm will generate several components for your discovery ad, including headlines, ad descriptions, and thumbnail images. You can edit, copy, or regenerate any of the generated content until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, let's create a masthead ad. Select Masthead Ad and click Create Ad. Enter your video description and use the AI assistance tools if needed. Then select a video AI model. Choose a video duration and optionally upload a starting image. Review the cost information and click Generate Video Ads. Once the ad is ready, you can preview it, watch it in full screen mode, download it, or access all generated ads within the campaign. And that's basically it. So creating YouTube ads with AdStorm is a simple process that combines powerful AI tools with multiple ad formats to help you build effective campaigns quickly. Whether you're creating shorts, video ads, bumper ads, discovery ads, or masthead ads, the workflow remains simple and easy to follow. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope it helps you get started with creating high-quality YouTube ads using AdStorm.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.